So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janika. I'm going to show you my skincare empties. Skincare can be hair care or just personal care. There are a bunch of products that I've emptied in the month of March and mid-April. So it's basically just going to be that if I'm going to repurchase them or I'm just gonna not repurchase them and just rate them in general. So let me quickly start, and the very first product we have is the most favorite product of mine, and it's the Vaseline Gluta Cinnamon Lotion. The dewy radiance and one is the flawless glow. I'm sorry I have to do this, but I have literally emptied every bit of both of these and I have backups. This is the best product for summers, let me tell you. I am unsure about winters, but this product will be your best friend for the summers. So lightweight, it just melts into your skin and feels non-sticky, legit. So it's just for 300. So now the next product is something that I, my husband and Tutu loved, and it's the Ayuga 2% Chandanam sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus. I think this is one of the nicest soft lightweight sunscreens out there. This is a total hit and I want to repurchase this, but actually I have a lot of different sunscreens with me. I keep using one product and waste the other, so I'm going to use my other favorite sunscreens, and then if I still wish to repurchase this, then I will. Good. 50 on 10, literally. It's that good. And the Vaseline one I would like to rate, particularly this one I would like to rate 10 on 10, and this one I like to rate 9.5. I mean, I know there's not a big difference. I have is the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo. Guys, if you have dull, frizzy, dead, I mean just bad hair going on, then trust me, LBB shampoos are gonna do justice for you. I have loved the coconut and mimosa, I think that's what it's called, and the lavender shampoo from Love Beauty and Planet. And this is the curry leaves, button and mandarin orange. Guys, this smells so delicious, literally. Like whenever I wash my hair, or my husband, we just keep smelling our hair every day, all day long. You can skip if you don't like fragrance in your products, but I don't think I've come across any hair product which does not have a smell or a fragrance to it. This is 400 ml, retails for 700, and I'm gonna give all the LBB shampoos literally, because I told you I tried lavender, coconut and a curry leaves, and I've tried one more. I've tried the red one. I'm not sure what the name was, but I've tried, and I do keep changing my shampoos. I don't use one shampoo all the time. So when I'm over with the other products, I will definitely come back to this one particularly. I would like to give this 100 on 10, literally. It's just too good, no words for it. The next product is something that I mean Instagram made me buy kind of thing, and it was the Sephora Dream White toothpaste. I mean, I know it's something that I never believed in, and I do not believe it in now also. This product didn't do anything to my teeth whatsoever. Like, I mean, nothing at all, literally. Does this whiten your teeth up? But no, it does not. So it's fine if you would just like to skip this. But mind, the next product that I have is the Dot & Key Vitamin C Plus E Bright Sunscreen. And you guys know, love this stuff so much. Literally, if ever anything better comes than this thing, then I am gonna let you guys know, but I haven't found anything better than this. I think till date I have finished more than 3-4. Like, I just can't get over how beautifully this blends into your skin. Lightweight in spite of this hot climate. It will, like, even if you sweat, this is not gonna come on your face. The sunscreen is not gonna come on your face. And this is for 445 rupees, and I think it's worth every penny. It's not expensive. It's more on the medium side. Now the next product is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus Hyaluronic Acid, and this retailed for I think 600 or 700. I'm not sure. It's a 50-50 for me. It's not too good. It's not bad either. It's just in the middle. I loved it during the winters.
For the summers, I am feeling a little heavy.
More of it, but I'm gonna keep this for winters and I'm not gonna use this or suggest this for summers. I would like to give it a 7 out of 10. And key sunscreen, million on 10, literally millions and millions. And the next product that I have is also moisturizer. It's also again from Dot & Key. It's the Ceramides plus Hyaluronic Skin Barrier Repair plus Face Cream. Guys, if you haven't tried out this, I don't know what are you guys doing. Just literally, I have no words, but just go and get this because your skin is gonna love it. 50 on 10 for this. Now, last but not the least product that I have is the Astaberry Indulge Sunscreen Gel with SPF 50 PA++. I fell in love with the sunscreen for its texture, for how this performs, for it blends, for how it's lightweight. Beautifully, it sits on my skin and does not make my skin feel heavy. I won't repurchase a lot of different sunscreens just like this one. I would like to rate this a 10 on 10. I don't think I had any bad product except for the Perfora Dream White toothpaste. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I love you guys. Have a great day.